In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set an expiry date for your trips in WP Travel Engine. Before we begin, make sure you have the Trip Fix Starting Dates Pro add-on installed and activated. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Trips and open any trip where you want to set an expiry date. Click Edit. Now, go to the Dates and Prices section. Scroll down until you see the Trip Expiry Date option. Here, select the date when you want your trip to expire. For this example, I'll choose today's date so you can clearly see how it works. Once selected, click Save. Now, preview the trip. You'll notice that the trip is marked as expired and an expiry message is displayed on the front end. If you want to change this message, you can easily customize it. To do that, go back to your dashboard. Navigate to WP Travel Engine Settings. From the Settings page, open the Extensions drop-down and click on Fixed Starting Dates. Under the General section, you'll find the Trip Expiry Message option. Simply change the message to anything you prefer and click Save Changes. Now refresh and preview the trip again. You'll see the updated expiry message displayed on the trip page. And that's how you set and customize expiry dates for your trips in WP Travel Engine.